Ndabwera Ngati coming. Hey. Ndabwera Ngati coming. Hey. Ndabwera Ngati coming. Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I just hope munaona video yatu ya dzulo komanso video imene tapanga upload lelo lomwe ya wikise ndi Henry season ndapanga upload mama uno. So I hope mwaionera video iyi. Yeah, so panova zimene zikuchitika zono zoti pa Malawi pakupanga trend ana amenewa ndeno tisanapitire tifanire kukupangirani play ka video kuti mungokaonera kenako tipitirira ndi ma reviews. Ndabwera Ngati coming. 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 Kuti bangia planning. Kujoga ngati landing. Kazinga ngati frying. Ukuti wakale pati coming. Hasu ya michana, ya matama. Yumafuna okwiya, akama. You a big man, andalama. Was a harder, and I never could. Yeah, so guys, I think mwaonera video ndimeneyo ndeno munzo akali chikhedo chacho chapanova zono zoti tikangoona timanena zono zoti tipereke ma complimentary. That's why we are here. We are not here to play, we are here to review, we are here to make that life feel better. That's it, guys. So ngati ndinu oyambilira ngati kodi mafandi yanko kujani. Yeah, ngati mukundiona kuyambilira, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, that is the rules of this platform. Make sure you don't just watch, you subscribe, you like the video. If you don't like it, you give the unlike. And two things also that you have to do is to go in comment section, drop a heart or that lit fire burn emoji so that also lots of people can watch the video. Most importantly, if you think you can manage to share the video, make sure you share it. Yeah, so we want to look at my comments amene amapereka musima game ndepali Roy view nanzi watifacha wikise habusa baba amana zoda ati wikise kobe yake maoneka ngati ati maoneka ngati Kosi. No. Ati maoneka ngati John White. I don't mean kuti maoneka ngati John White komano I'm just explaining imene no nanziwira Roy view. I know he's an entrepreneur and he's a good guy, he's a cool guy. Yeah, so chimene chinangonisangasa mene anayankhulira wikise zono zoti ife tili yana kuliongo gwera 36 tinkakonda kuweta ma John White. Nde mene nangoyankhula zimene zinangoti ndeno pamene narani no nabezo nozoti ndamagunziwa. Yeah, so Roy view akuno zoti I wish I had the capacity to manage artists. These kids are talented and need to be nurtured spiritually, musically, and academically. The way he's controlling his vocals on the beat at such age, it tells a story. Wishing them all the best. Zimene tu ayankula bambo Roy view akuta wakonda nawa ati Ndabwera Ngati coming. Komano, guys, honestly, to my side, at that age, these boys are doing God. And if I had money, I would have done something, but who am I, guys? But it will depend on you guys. If you keep supporting me with comments, sharing my videos, definitely, why not taking 2, 3, 4, 5, or even 10 upcoming artists and support them? I can. You know what we can do? Mubange like video, mugaona, mubange comment, komanso mubange share. Zikachitika zimene guys in just 2 to 3 years, not even 3 years, not even 2 years. That's a long period. Like even less than 6 months, I can take some artists and sponsor them. But it will depend on you because it doesn't make sense. I sponsor them myself. Things are not working. It's kind of
Yeah, so guys, ana wanditu ndawakonda ndepali junior Pablo kuti the boy is good. I feel like a teenager already. Full song please. This guy akuti akufuna chinyimbo chonse. Yeah, so I think zimene tinali nazo komanso physics anapereka ndituma ma compliments ambirimbira kono zono zoti anawo watani kodi wawakonda heaven, the way they are flowing, it's really good. Yeah, so guys, ndisakasaka video yonse ndipanga pin ma comment section ndikangoipeza ngati zingateke nditongopeza ndingopempha permission kuti ngoipanga upload pa channel pano kuti nanunso mudani god muione yonse nyimbo yonse. Yeah, komano, yeah, just as we agreed, ngati pali china chake chochitika chimene chipanga trend kwambiri, guys, don't forget to share the link in my inbox on either Instagram or inbox me on Facebook. My name is just right here. Where? It's right here. That's where my name is. Mungondibanga search pamenepo Dixon dambo. You're going to find me, guys, and I really like the support. Ndikuona ma likes akubwera pa Facebook page yanga, pa Instagram yanga, so my likes, my followers akubwera, komanso my subscribers akubwera. So guys, ndikutokoza kwambiri guys. I don't know what to say. Koma guys, thank you so much for your support. And you know, I was about to give up, but guys, the support imene mukupereka, I'm not gonna give up, guys. Tifuna titenge Malawi timweke pa map, guys. Tifuna Malawi achuke. Malawi kangochuka pa social media, guys, zazikulu zikhazuchitika. Mudziwa nowadays zinthu zikumayambira pa social media. If social media is booming about a certain story, it's when you see a lot of changes coming, developments, money, everything, job opportunities, everything. You see, guys, yeah, so I really appreciate for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, cheers and God bless.